Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set your Dodge Charger garage door opener. First, park your Charger safely outside your garage. Next, find the 3 home link buttons, usually on your overhead console or visor. Before starting, it's a good idea to clear any previous programming from the home link system. To do this, press and hold the 2 outer home link buttons until the indicator light flashes rapidly, which takes about 20 seconds. This ensures a clean slate for new programming. Now, let's program using your garage door remote. Hold your remote control 1 to 3 inches away from the home link button you wish to program. Simultaneously press and hold both your chosen home link button and the button on your garage door remote. Keep holding them until the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid flash. Once it flashes rapidly, you can release both buttons. This indicates successful programming from the remote. For many modern garage door openers, you'll need to use the Learn button. First, go to your garage door opener motor unit, usually mounted on the ceiling. Locate and press the Learn or Smart button. This button is often red, orange, green, or purple. After pressing it, you have about 30 seconds to return to your charger. Once back in your vehicle, press the home link button you just programmed 3 times, holding it for 2 seconds each time. The garage door should activate. After completing the programming, it's time to test. Press the home link button you programmed to ensure your garage door opens and closes correctly. If it doesn't work on the first try, don't worry. Simply repeat the programming steps from the beginning, paying close attention to each instruction. Some older garage door openers might not be compatible, or you might need to check your opener's manual for specific instructions regarding rolling codes. Most modern openers use rolling codes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.